Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Right, here's just a short video. Some of you may remember these from the Bob Somerville collection. I found them in a box, 18th February 1983. So that makes these paints 40 years old, and they've probably not been opened since then. So let's give them a shake. Well, it's certainly changing colour. Let's have a see if we can get it open. See if they're any good. That's the idea. 40-year-old paint. Actually, let's give it a stir. And there's quite a bit in the bottom there. See if I've got, and actually that one looks fine. I think you could use that. 40-year-old paint in a bottle, not a tin, and it looks fine. It's just got an old scrap heap model here. Let's rub a bit on. As you can see, perfectly good paint, 40 years on. Right, so the silver survived. About the black. Let's give it a shake. Oh, it's a bit tougher to get off. And you know what? Let's get myself a little lollipop stick. Oh, it's a bit sludgier in the bottom. But you know what? It's going to be okay. You can see but to be honest, 40 years old. Just brush that on there. Well, spatula that on there if you like. But that looks like it would paint. So there you are. I've had paints go off in the tin before over time, but obviously the glass bottle stuff should be okay with that. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching.